Oh, Chamshaman. I'm hearing that song, yeah. Bangin ka ba? Kasi nahuhulog na ako sa'yo naman. Kasi, you know? So, wow, hindi ko alam yung title. But definitely, look at that. Bangin ka ba daw? No, it's like a pickup line right here. Maybe this person right here no wants to give you that pickup line. Or maybe may mga alam siyang pickup line or may mga baon siyang pickup line. But let's get into that thought, no? Bangin ka ba kasi nahuhulog na daw siya sa'yo? Ooh. So in short, no, this person right here, no, is falling for you. Yan, no? Ang tanong, ika-catch mo ba siya? Or are you also catching feelings for this person? Ay, ba't palagi mo akong sinasalit siya? Okay. Ako nga pala kasi yung medium dito. Kaya pala kayo nandito, di ba? So, yan. Alamin na natin ang iba pang informations about this. Taray. Naalala ko tuloy yung kanta, no, ni Tony G, no? Yung Catch me, I'm falling for you. Yun ba yun? Diba? Parang mali yung tone. Okay, let us see what do we have here. More infos. Hmm. Okay. Okay, the sun feels so good right here. There's warmth in this reading, and I love it because it feels so comfortable. So let's keep moving. Let's see what's the center or heart of this reading. So we have here the Page of Swords at the heart of the reading, and we have the Lovers right next to it. So this is the energy here of someone who gives me the two scenarios right here. This could be your lover here, no, na posibleng meron na kayong relationship, like may connection na kayo, no, but pwede rin naman na kayong dalawa ay mutual feelings and emotions, no? But this is something here that is kinda slow, no? If wala pa kayo nitong officialing kayo, like hindi pa, no? Para dun sa nagpo-fall sa scenario na yun, no? Nakakita tayo ng energy rito na posibleng you're just trying to get to know each other more. So there's an energy of that as well. So let's see. Okay. But definitely, Six of Swords to the Eight of Wands, no? Slow to moderate to fast energy. So we have here, okay, no? Knight of Swords. There's action here. Bottom of the deck, we have, Three of Wands, Hierophant, and there you go. Six of Wands, energy. So, hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers at sa aking mga returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay, mga mahal. And yes, wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat welcome. Pwede rin po magkapalit-palit yung mga roles dahil possible talaga po iyan. Because isa itong general reading and at the end of the day, lahat po kayo ay malaya ninyong gamitin ng inyong free will kung gusto nyong i-claim yung mga messages or not, no? But please do know na meron din tayong mga other viewers na kaya may mga mensahe rin na hindi mag-resonate sa inyo, din iwan niyo yung iba kasi baka yung para sa ating other viewers out there. And yes, wala rin po tayo rito gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Ha? And syempre, kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel which is our main channel kung saan nag-upload tayo ng daily collective readings din for all signs at kung hanap ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign ninyo or meron kayo ditong person na dinideal, no, then you can also watch din ito doon. Ang link ay nandiyan sa ating description box. No? We do have here weekly readings and monthly readings here for per zodiac sign. And yun nga, timeless din po ito. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, no, to some of you. To some of you ay nangyayari na ngayon in the present moment. At sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya, just take only what resonates. But dito, mukhang meron na ditong gustong hilahin ang mga araw, no? Ang tagal naman, Monday pa lang. Ano ba yan? Yan, no? Gusto niya nang hilahin yung mga araw dito. Parang meron siya ditong nilolook forward na specific na araw, no? At mukhang ito ay kung hindi niya to rest day, off day, or parang ito yung klase ng energy na inyong pagtatagpo day. Yan, no? So, may mga energies. Kaya nga sinabi ko that this person right here, you could be mutually involved sa kanya, no? Sa feelings and emotions, pero hindi pa kayo. Hindi pa officialing kayo, no? Pero yung iba naman, pwedeng kayo na because sa iba, yes, nakita ko kayo ay freshly na bagong-bagong lovebirds. Yan, no? So, nakita natin dito that this person right here, gusto niya nang hilahin dito yung araw, no? So, kung ganito, eh, puwede kasi mga babes 'no, na kayo ay nakikita lang niya weekends 'no, tapos may energy dito na may 5 araw pa sabihin natin 'no, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, ano, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Jungkook, 'yan 'no. So, this person right here is looking forward 'no, puwedeng sa weekends, pwede rin naman sa day off niya, pwede rin naman sa rest day niya, no? Nakikita ko dito that this person right here is naiinip na, no? This is here waiting, no? With the temperance energy, no? And there's this four of swords, yan. Ano ba yan? Ang bagal naman, napakahaba ng araw na to. Ang tagal-tagal naman mag-umaga. May energy ng pagkainip na dahil gustong-gusto niya na dito mga babes 'no, na makita kayo. So, maaaring nakakasama niya lang kayo ng particular na araw or doesn't have to be na weekends lang yon 'no, kasi posibleng kahit na anong araw ito basta meron siya ditong nilu forward 'no. Puwede kasing kung hindi kayo rito magkatrabaho, puwedeng kayo ay nagde-date 'no, ng specific na araw or nagkikita ng specific na araw 'no, since lalo na yung iba hindi talaga kayo possible na magkatrabaho sa iisang lugar 'no. So, ibig sabihin kayo ay may usapan na, "Oh, tuwing ano, ganito magkikita tayo, ito yung ating, araw." 'Yan 'no, "Every ganitong araw magkikita tayo." 'Yan 'no. So, may mga gano'n 'no. So, yung iba naman 'no, possible na kung wala pa talagang kayo 'no, siyempre wala pang usapang gano'n, possible na nakikita niya kayo rito 'no, and I'm seeing 'no, na posibleng meron din with the Three of Cups energy na ibang mga tao doon. So, sabihin na natin 'no, na posibleng meron siya ritong sinalihan o baka naman yung iba ka-churchmate niyo 'to 'no, regardless of your religion, wala tayong relihiyon dito 'no, nagbibigay lamang ako ng example. So, puwedeng nakikita niya kayo sa church, no? Kaya excited siya lagi, no, na magsimba pa, no, dahil nakikita niya kayo, no, at may mga activities rin right after, no, kung saan posibleng nagkakausap din kayo, no, at nakakausap ka niya. So, excited siya about that. But if it is not a church involvement right here, it could be pwedeng ganito din, no, pwedeng meron rin siya ditong sinalihan activities, no, pwedeng sabihin natin samahan ng mga yung sa motorcycle, no, ganyan, no. So, merong araw rin ng ganyan na magsasama-sama tapos mag-road trip, mga gano'n 'no. Possible na do'n ka niya nakilala 'no, basta may mga ibang taong involved. Yung iba naman puwedeng nakilala niya kayo 'no, kasi may mga activities siya ritong, nag-participate siya. Na sabihin natin it's a club, it's sports club 'no, and then nakikita niya kayo 'no, sa schedule na ganito or whatever. So, nilu forward niya 'yun 'no. Kasi with the Page of Swords energy 'no, puwede rin kasi mga babes 'no, na wala pa talaga yung iba ha, I'm gonna put another scenario 'no, wala pa talagang as in mutual connection sa inyo. So, this person right here 'no, you tend to already got his or her attention na. Kaya naman this person right here 'no, wants to take movements 'no. Yes, magte-take na ito ng movement with the Eight of Wands energy and Knight of Swords right here 'no, to be friends with you 'no. So, nagbabalak na siyang kakausapin kayo 'no, get to know you more 'no, and yung iba nga 'no, may nagdada-moves na rito kaya nagkakaroon na ng pag-uusap sa inyo and yung iba sa inyo, yes, may namumuo na rin ng pagka-like dito sa taong nito. So, definitely you're already MU to some of you, and others you could be already lovers. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes kung sino man tong energies na ito. Nakikita ko na excited na itong makita at makasama kayo, no? So, nakikita ko rito na siya ito, no, na posibleng pwedeng LDR din ito for others. Pwedeng may nilulook forward siya rito na last day ng kanyang contract and then this person here will go back to the country. Okay, kung nasan kayo. Or pwede rin naman mga babes no, that this person right here is someone na nadestino sa ibang lugar because of his or her work no, and finally waiting for that schedule na siya ay makasakay pauwi at pabalik sa inyo. No? So may ganong klase ng energy. The Three of Cups no, means reunion or being united with this person right here. And definitely, this person here is looking forward to seeing you, spending time with you here, guys, no? And yung iba, nakita ko dito, no? Sobrang happy sila with the Sun card energy to see you, no? They're so excited, no? Kahit hindi pa man dumadating yung araw na yun, no? They feel so excited, no? See, look at that, no? Kung magkikita kayo ng weekends, no? Tapos Lunes pa lang, what? It's a torture daw. Four of Swords energy waiting and there's this patience right here no na parang this person here is trying to calm down himself or herself no self. Wait lang, huwag ka masyado ma-excite. Monday pa lang. So this person right here is someone who calms down himself or herself because he or she is so excited to see you na, no? Because you are someone here na nakikita niya bilang bright as the sun, no? You are someone here na, alam mo, ang sinasabi niya rito na isa sa mga nakikita niya sa iyo, you're cheerful, yan, no? Maybe you smile a lot, okay? Or this is you, you approach everybody with tenderness, no? Or napaka-light lang ng pakikipag-communicate mo with other people, no? And this person here loves conversing with you, starting a topic right here, no? And yung others, pwedeng kayo ito, no, na natutuwa rin kayo na every time nakakausap niyo siya. But others, prepare yourself, no? Because this person here will definitely talk to you. And if this person right here is parehas na kayo ng mutual na yung feelings and emotions ninyo, then expect some kind of actions. Because the Knight of Swords and the Eight of Wands right here, no, is definitely, no, nagdikit na nga dito. So, nakikita ko na gagawa pa siya rito ng actions at may nilook forward din siya rito na araw kung saan posible no, na ang swords ay symbol and also the Eight of Wands is symbol of messages. So expect some kind of communication like we call confession of love. Yan mga babes na hindi yan confession kay kuya ng PBB. Pero, no, ito ay confession ng kanyang feelings that he or she likes you. Yan, no. Kung pwede ba siyang manligaw sa'yo, no, or pwede ba siya mag-express ng emotions and feelings sa'yo, no, wala tayong gender dito, mga babes, by lalaki LGBT, but definitely, this person here will definitely talk and will take action in order to start something deep connection sa inyo. Okay? So, if you are already lovers, this person here wants to hug you, touch you, feel you, kiss you. Diba? So, kung sino man itong energy na to, this person right here is giving me the vibe na sobrang namimiss niya na ang kanyang bebe love. Yan, no? Sino pa nga ba yun? Walang iba, kundi ikaw, no? Walang talagang tatalo sa pinakamalupit na landian kapag ka ang relasyon ay nagsisimula pa lamang, di ba? Agree, no? Miss yan, teka lang, kakabanggit mo lang yan, no? Baka mamaya biglang mapanis yan, biglang mawala yung amor niyo sa akin or whatever. Hindi, mga babes, no? Tapos nakikita ko that this person here is nagtataglay ng 8 na nga, Hierophant energy. So in the future, this person here will continue what he or she is doing. So definitely, with the 6 of Wands energy, Hierophant, this person here, okay, hindi mapapanis yung love niya for you. Actually, yung pagka-likeness niya sa inyo ay mag-e-evolve into something more deeper and deeper, no? So, deep love ang nakikita natin dito. So this person here will definitely tick, 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 consistent actions right here no, to show you that he or she is someone here that is so different no, from any other boys out there or any other girls out there. LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. So definitely Hierophant energy. This is someone here who's serious, especially when it's about love, feelings, and emotions. And this is also a guarantee that this person here, no, gusto niya ritong iparating ko sa inyo, no. Ako na, mga babes, no, magpaparating sa inyo. This person right here will not hurt you, especially if it is something here that you're thinking na mag involve siya ng third parting tao, like, no, Nick, hindi yun gagawin, hindi niya yun gagawin, no? So, ako na, yung nauna, no, ako talaga yung nagsabi, no, do the honor na raw. But definitely, you're gonna hear it from him or her, okay? So, yun yung nakikita ko with this person here. So, yeah, definitely this person here is hindi na makapag-impay, waiting na to see you, to be with you, and to spend some kind of time with you here, guys, no? And yeah, the moment everything right here starts, you're gonna see, okay, that what I'm talking about is not just a mere imagination right here, no, nitong tao na to, no, when it comes to you, but this is the reality that he or she wants to show you, okay? So you do not need to do something about this. You just need to feel his or her warmth and presence. Wow, taray. Kayo na. So yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. Thank you so much again, Miriana Oni. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to see this beautiful love story here for you guys. And again, please, sa susunod natin collective bleeding sa Love in Light. Annyeong!